Alright, tonight is going to be an exciting unboxing video. Jaime, what do you have here right now?
I got 3 new Mako GMTs from Elshon.
So, of course, Zelos all the way. I'm Jose Guerrero. This is my brother Jaime Guerrero. And come join us unboxing these 3 Zelos true GMTs. Alright, let's see what we got here.
There's the Zelos warranty card and the 3 watch roll. And this one is the sky blue Mako GMT.
Oh, that looks great. Oh, I'm definitely a fan.
And let's see what the next one is. Here we have the mother of pearl Mako GMT.
That's going to be impressive.
As you can see, I'm wearing the black mother of pearl now.
Wow.
Lots of lavenders and teals. And lastly, we have the cracked ice Mako GMT.
We're going to have to pull out the loom shots for this one.
I love that orange.
Alright, well, let's definitely jump into some detail and let's keep those boxes open. Alright, so this is the Mako GMT Sky Blue. That looks impressive.
Really pops with the yellow GMT hand.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, of course, it's a 40 millimeter diameter. It's running about a 46 millimeter lug to lug. And it's not too thick at all, right? It's about 12 millimeter without the crystal, 14.7 millimeter with the crystal on there. So, but I mean, the whole case, I mean, it's done in 316 stainless steel. It's just, the case work is just really amazing.
Yeah, the bezel too is ceramic with a polished finish.
Yeah, that looks impressive. You know, it's like the bezels from Zelos, of course, have just been getting better and better. And, you know, this release does not disappoint. Elshon, of course, delivers again. And with the new movement, of course, the Miyota 9075, right? So it's definitely a true GMT. And from a water resistance standpoint, it's 300 millimeters. So, yeah, you're going before the watch does.
Let's listen to the bezel action.
Is that bi-directional?
Bi-directional.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's nice setting time zones, right? Especially with the independent hour hand, and being able to just move the hour hand independent to the other hour hand, right? So the GMT hand independent than the normal hand.
Loving this dome sapphire crystal with inner AR coating. Reminds me of the old Horizons GMT version 2.
Overall, the case work is very well done. You can see the bezel very nicely, and also with the tones, right? The color tone, the colorway is just very well done on this one. It's definitely having you know, this very nice interplay between the ceramic and polished finishes of the case and the ceramic bezel. So just overall very well done.
So the bracelet's 316L stainless steel with updated quick adjust clasp.
Yeah, the dial on this one is very well done. It really reminds me of the Great Whites and also the other high-end Zelos dials, and you can see it's just really amazing. Even compared to the earlier Makos, there's an increase in quality overall in the manufacturing production process. Again, very akin to the Great Whites and the Sky Raider. I had a Sky Raider that had this kind of high quality dial work. You can see with the sky blue, very impressive loom shot as well. So the bezel, of course, has loom and also the markers. Not to be forgotten the crown, right? The crown's also loomed on the Makos. Very bright loom. Sean always delivers on the loom, so this one's nice. Yeah, hi man. This GMT MOP launch special, man. It's also looking very nice.
Yeah, not since the Thresher Mother of Pearl have I wanted another white Mother of Pearl to be re-released. So seeing this in the turbine mosaic white Mother of Pearl is I'm just so glad it's hit back.
Yeah, I mean overall it's just very impressive, right? Not only with the light blue GMT hand, right? It's very impressive as a pop, matching the lettering, but also again that mother of pearl effect, that turbine is just so clear, and again, you know, what a special dial for Zelos. And I think what's super impressive about it as well is that the bezel has this two-tone, right? So with the bezel having this two-tone effect and the ceramic finish on top of it, it's just very well done.
Excellent, Elshan.
Yeah, this one's a hit. I think for sure this one's going to be selling out quickly. And you know, having the black one and seeing it on your wrist, Jaime, you know, I think for the people who bought the black one, they're going to need the white one as well. And you can see the loom work here, right? So loom work on the bezel. You can also see the loom work, of course, on the indices, right? So you have it all over the markers in second sand, GMT hand. And not to forget, you also have it
On the crown.
there you go. And this is kind of reminiscent of like a low light effect, right? Charging up the loom. All right, Jaime, which one is this one?
This one is the cracked ice version. It's got a hammered texture dial covered with full BGW9 loom.
Yeah, I mean, the orange definitely pops, the black markers. I mean, it just very impressive. And I think with this kind of loom effect that is looming ahead of us, right? Yeah, I mean, the matching on the GMT hand, the orange with the orange highlight around the dial. Again, just another hit from Elshan. The bezel on this one is one tone, right? One color,
Yeah.
right? Compared to the MOP dial, so with this white on black and orange highlight. So let's look at this cracked ice. And you can see the detail. I mean, of course, the bezel again is illuminated, the crown is illuminated, but the dial. And this is going to be something special for the people who can really see the detail, because you see on the face, the dial itself has a little cracked ice effect that's visible, especially in full moon. So looks actually like the moon to me, but that is very cool. I think very well done also with the black indices, black markers there. Really cool. Alright, so we have all three colorways here. It's a powerhouse, the family shot, and I don't know, I mean, which one's your favorite?
I'm taking the white mother of pearl home for sure.
Yeah, you know, that's a hard one to pass. You know, I'm really torn between the cracked ice and also the sky blue. I didn't anticipate this interplay between this kind of grayish bezel and the sky blue. So it's a tough one. I'm gonna have to sleep on it for sure. All right, so of course these three colorways we have in front of us, right? The sky blue, the MOP dial, and also the cracked ice. These are only representing three out of the five in total. So what's missing in front of us is actually the blue GMT Meteorite. So that's a very, very special watch as well. And you can imagine this kind of interplay between the purple GMT hand and that meteorite dial. And, as far as the wild smatten pattern of the Munas Luna meteorite dial, I'm probably mispronouncing that, but it's of course very impressive.
There's some purple on the dial as well.
Yeah, I think that's a shorter way to say it. And then what's missing, of course, here is also the GMT Vintage Black, right, which is a fan favorite, right, very akin to the Omega, right, 007. Nonetheless, very nice off-white, and then you're having that gray interplay with the dial. So I think, again, another special watch that Elshan has been cooking up, and seeing this one on people's wrists is going to be very impressive, especially if you know that you know. Again, another special thank you to Elshan from Zelos. This is not a sponsored video, right? So Jaime actually bought all these watches, but having the capability to get these so that we can share it with the world. And I think Jaime has a few other videos in the works as far as some old Zelos.
Yes. In a few weeks, we'll be filming some older Zelos models. So stay tuned for that one.
Absolutely stay tuned, and if you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe both our channels. And until the next time, take it easy, guys, and enjoy the rest time.